So there's something I'm concerned about and confused and worried about. Um, so I've had this brain injury, and I believe it was years ago. It's hard to say because the injury has taken my memory away. So I can only guess, but I do think I've been injured since 2015. So that means 7 years ago. I'm in supported living for now, and that's where they feed me and house me, and they put clothes out for me and stuff like that. So I'm just managed like a rabbit in a cage. So that's how I'm living. It's a very strange life. I have no control of anything. I don't talk to anyone. I don't see anyone. The stuff just do their business, and I don't really see them. So I'm worried about something because it seems to me that I'm in this supported living. I don't even know where I am, but I think I might be near Slough for some reason. I must have found out somehow. But the point is, I think that I'm just being kept functional, being kept alive for the sake of it. There is no treatment, no therapy, no anything going on. And I think that the plan is to keep me alive until I pass away. And in other words, there's no hope of improvement or treatment. Treatment won't do anything for me, so they're not treating me. There's no therapy, nothing. So I'm thinking they have decided to not treat me because my brain injury is too severe to fix, which means I am just being managed and maintained and kept alive for the sake of it, with no purpose and no hope. And that is completely amazing, and I'm just stunned by this, but it seems to be what's happening. I don't talk to anyone at all, and I think that is strange. So I appear to be just on a march to death at some point, but I'm being maintained for as long as I can survive. And I suppose I want to talk to someone to find out if this is definitely how it is, but I think I'm pretty certain it is. But the point is, they don't want to talk to me, obviously, and I suppose there's no point. There's nothing they can tell me that's any good. So I appear to be just surviving for the sake of it. And I don't know how long I'll live, but it's weird to be just living with no hope and not seeing anyone, not talking to anyone, not having any activities, just alive, being supported to live with food and have a bed. It is completely amazing, and I don't know what to do. I could make a fuss, I suppose, and try and speak to someone, but again, what is the point? What could they tell me? They don't have any answers apart from to say, well, we're looking after you, and now maybe they're hoping for my body to fix itself somehow. It is so weird to be just surviving in life. And I haven't spoken to anyone for I don't know how long, but I don't even know how to estimate how long I've been here, but it may have been months that I've been here. It may even indeed have been since 2015 that I've been injured. So it could be 7 years just being managed to survive, to live. It is such a strange situation I'm in, and I don't know what to do. I mean, I'm partially disabled and I've lost my memory as part of the injury. So I don't understand anything, I don't remember anything. I still remember addresses of places where I've lived, but I don't actually know which one I live at. I don't know what my children look like, but I do know I have 2 children and I know their names. I don't know how old they are, I don't know what they look like, and I don't know where they are. But I suspect they're in Barnet in North London. And I'm just guessing now. So life is incredibly strange, and there's nothing I can do that I can see except survive and just for the sake of it. I'm just eating food and living for the sake of it, and there doesn't seem to be any plan or anything to hope for. I'm just being kept alive by stuff. It is incredibly strange, and I don't know what to do. I wish there was something I could do.